Welcome back to Driveline, where innovation meets excitement on four wheels. Today, we take a deep dive into one of Volkswagen's most popular compact crossovers, the Volkswagen T-Roc 2026. This next-generation model has been completely reimagined to deliver sharper design, smarter technology, and more efficient powertrains while keeping its youthful and adventurous spirit alive. Exterior design bold, sporty, and distinctive. The 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc arrives with a fresh new look that perfectly blends urban chic with sporty flair. At the front, it features a wider grille with a 3D illuminated VW badge and slimmer IQ. Light LED matrix headlights that give it a futuristic expression. The bumper is reshaped with aggressive air intakes, emphasizing its athletic stance. On the side, the T-Roc keeps its compact proportions but adds stronger shoulder lines and stylish two-tone paint options for personalization. Alloy wheels range from 18 to 20 inches, while the coupe-like roofline adds a youthful, dynamic vibe. At the rear, sleek LED taillights with animated light signatures make the T-Roc instantly recognizable at night. Interior, high-tech, and comfort combined. Inside, the T-Roc 2026 is a major leap forward. The cabin feels more premium with soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and sporty accents. A new 12.9-inch floating infotainment screen integrates seamlessly with the 10.5-inch digital cockpit, creating a fully digital driving environment. Connectivity is top-notch, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 5G integration, and an upgraded voice assistant powered by AI. Volkswagen also offers an optional Harman Kardon premium sound system for music lovers. The seats are redesigned with improved ergonomics, available in eco-friendly materials such as recycled microfiber or sustainable leather. Despite its compact footprint, the T-Roc offers a surprisingly roomy cabin with versatile rear seats and a generous cargo space for its class. Powertrains, hybrid efficiency, dynamic drive. Volkswagen equips the 2026 T-Roc with multiple engine choices to satisfy different drivers. 1.5L TSI mild hybrid, MHEV, for efficiency in daily driving. 2.0 LTSI with 4-motion AWD for more power and sporty performance. Plug-in hybrid PHEV, offering around 90 kilometers of pure electric range. A possible T-Roc R performance version with more than 300 horsepower for enthusiasts. The ride comfort has also been improved thanks to adaptive suspension and refined steering, giving the T-Roc both agility in the city and confidence on the highway. Safety and technology, smart protection everywhere. The 2026 T-Roc comes loaded with Volkswagen's latest IQ.DRIVE safety suite, including travel assist with semi-autonomous driving support, adaptive cruise control with predictive speed adjustment, lane assist and emergency steering assist, 360 degrees area view cameras and park assist plus. With over-the-air updates, the T-Roc will continue to evolve even after purchase, ensuring it stays future-ready. Final verdict, compact crossover, big personality. The Volkswagen T-Roc 2026 proves that compact crossovers can be both stylish and practical. With its bold new design, advanced tech, versatile hybrid powertrains, and strong safety credentials, the T-Roc positions itself as one of the most attractive options in the competitive compact SUV market. For young families, urban explorers, or anyone looking for a crossover that balances fun, efficiency, and innovation, the 2026 T-Roc is ready to lead the way.